Welcome to An American Accent. This is the fourth video about irregular verbs and where I group them, especially the simple past and the past participle, the second and third form, by their vowel sound, not by spelling. They may overlap, but most of the time we cannot completely go by the spelling. So here, simple past and past participle have the vowel ow in them. It's a moving or changing vowel. Starts with ah and goes all the way to like a W, ow. And we can call it the brown vowel because it has, brown has ow in it. And the base form is a long I, also called the white vowel, because white has an I in it. Start low and go all the way up to a Y sound. This is in reference to the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson. And I refer to it in the description, and also there are links to other videos of mine that explains that system better. Now this is a pretty short group, not that many in them, but they're very similar. They all end with IND or OUND for the second and third form. So the first one is bind, and then bound, bound. Find, found, found. Grind, ground, ground. Wind, wound, wound. Ground, by the way, we have in ground beef that we use for hamburgers, and also ground coffee. Now, I hope this helps you, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.